Stretching. Getting your stretches.
Nadia's getting up in the morning here.
Stretch your little butt. Look at her face. There's your stretch. Oh, you're stretching. Let's go get you changed. Okay, good morning, little girl. Good morning. Oh, you got your arms free. Good morning, Nadia. Good morning. Good morning. Let's take that off. You all done stretching? Oh, there you go. Stretch your legs. Does that feel better?
Got a little morning hair going on.
Let's see if you can get one more stretch. Ready? Get a good one. Get a good stretch. You see your daddy? Hi, Daddy. You see Daddy? Good morning, little girl. Good morning. Let's get you a new diaper.